Hello everyone, this is Deepa. Welcome to Learn Social Science. Students, as you know well, we have completed two parts of MCQ series of social science. Today I am here with the next 10 questions. So let's start. Our first question is, what is the best way to conserve metals? Option number 1, throwing away. Option number 2, recycling. Option number 3, decomposing. Option number 4, discarding its use. So you have to choose one of the answer which is the best way to conserve metal. कैसे हम उसको कंजर्व कर सकते हैं, सुरक्षित कर सकते हैं मेटल को, थ्रोइंग अवे फेंक के, रिसाइकिल करके, या डिकम्पोज करके उसको, या फिर उसका यूज़ को डिस्कार्ड करके. So you have to write your answers in comment section. Let's move towards next question. Which are the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world? Option number 1, Brazil. Option number 2, America. Option number 3, India. And option number 4, Antarctica. You have to choose one of the best answer. Which country is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world? पूरे संसार में लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर और एक्सपोर्टर यानी निर्यातक और उत्पादक मीका का कौन सा देश है? ब्राज़ील, अमेरिका, इंडिया, अंटार्कटिका. यू हैव टू चूज वन ऑफ देम. नाउ मूव टूवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. If a 13-year-old child is working in a factory, what is it called? Is it called option number A, freedom to education? Option number 2, child labor. Option number 3, both A and B, means freedom to education and child labor also. And last option, that is none of these. एक 13 साल का बच्चा अगर फैक्ट्री में काम करता है तो उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? स्वतंत्रता शिक्षा की, या फिर चाइल्ड लेबर, या फिर बोथ ए एंड बी, और नन ऑफ दीज. ओके. Now move towards 24 question. Question number 24. How many seats were won by BJP in Lok Sabha election 2014? That we have read in our civics chapter that BJP won how many seats in the Lok Sabha election of 2014? You have to choose one of the answer. Option number A, 285. Option number B, 114. Option number C, 14. और ऑप्शन नंबर डी 141. बीजेपी ने कितनी सीट्स जीती हैं लोकसभा इलेक्शन 2014 में? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. Who looks after sanitary condition of the country? Option number A, health minister. Option number B, home minister. Option C, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर. ऑप्शन डी, ऑल ऑफ दीज. मतलब हमारी जो सैनिटरी कंडीशंस है उनको कौन लुक आफ्टर करता है, उनकी देश की सैनिटरी कंडीशन की देखभाल कौन करता है? हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, या फिर सेकंड होम मिनिस्टर, या फिर थर्ड फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, या फिर ऑल ऑफ दीज यानी सभी. तो चूज करेक्ट आंसर एंड राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. Question number 16. The Supreme Court was established on option A, 1950, option B, 1949, option C, 1962, or option D, 1980. So you have to tell कि Supreme Court कब establish हुई? In the following years, in which year the Supreme Court was established? Now question number 17. Who presided the Supreme Court? Option A, subordinate. Option B, district court. Option C, chief justice. Option D, all of these. You have to choose one of the correct answer. Who presided the Supreme Court? Now move towards question number 28. Which state shares the same high court? ऐसा कौन सा राज्य है जो कि सेम हाई कोर्ट शेयर करता है? ऑप्शन नंबर 1 दैट इज़ हरियाणा एंड चंडीगढ़. ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है पंजाब एंड हरियाणा. ऑप्शन नंबर 3 है बोथ ए एंड बी. एंड ऑप्शन नंबर डी नन ऑफ दीज. Question number 29. Disputes between center and states comes under. This is also very interesting question. Dispute between center and state, जो हमारी छोटे डिस्प्यूट्स होते हैं, जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते हैं, एक तरीके से बोल सकते हैं हम विवाद होते हैं हमारे सेंटर और स्टेट के बीच में, वो किस कैटेगरी में आते हैं, किस कोर्ट के अंडर में आते हैं? ऑप्शन ए हाई कोर्ट, ऑप्शन बी लोक अदालत, ऑप्शन सी डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट, ऑप्शन डी सुप्रीम कोर्ट. You have to choose one of the correct answer in which court dispute between center and states comes under. Now move towards question number 30, that is our last question. Is president is a part of parliament? Option A yes, option B no, option C maybe, and option D can't say. So you have to tell, is president is a parliament or president is a part of parliament or not, or yes or no, or maybe or cannot say. So this is all about your MCQ students. Thank you very much, and it's my humble request to each and everyone, please write your answers in comment section so that you can judge yourself by when I am giving solutions of this MCQ. So you can judge yourself, and it will surely improve your reading skill. And purpose behind this video is to motivate you for reading chapters so that you can be able to answer multiple choice questions. Thank you very much students. Thank you. Keep doing good. Thanks.